Okay, welcome to another alternate scene of the Coding at Home sessions with the Code Hub. I'm going to go into something that we covered a little bit today with learning variables. We had a great suggestion during the day that we should have more stories that kind of show off the power of variables. And one of those ways we can show off the power of variables is by having a case where the same variable shows up multiple times in the finished story. So when we fill in the value for that variable, it gets replaced in multiple places throughout the whole story. So I thought that was a brilliant idea. So very quickly this afternoon, we put together a new build with a new built-in story. It's here called A Good Example for Reusing Variables. The build should be available on the App Store probably by this time tomorrow. And it'll definitely be worth downloading and checking out. So let's tap on this one. And we'll see that we have, like we did with the other stories, we have two variables, noun 1 and sound 1. So noun 1 is looking for a farmyard animal. So let's give it a cow. And then a sound that animal makes, we'll say moo. And we'll show the story. And we have a pretty familiar story with our variables filled in. So we have noun 1 has been replaced by cow, the value we gave it in the previous screen. And then if you look here, sound 1 appears multiple times in the next sentence. So we can see that I only typed in moo once, and we're able to see it propagate throughout the sentence because we're using a variable in all those spots in the sentence. So if I go back and I say, actually, I want to get a little bit fancier. I want to have a cow pig, and it's going to say boink, hit show. So you can see that, so my noun 1 was replaced by my new kind of weird hybrid barnyard animal. And then I've got the sound that that animal is going to make repeated again and again and again and again. This might bring home the real power of variables to you. I think it's a pretty nice addition. It was a great suggestion by the gang watching the feed earlier today. And I hope you enjoy the new version of the app. It'll be 1.0.3 and it'll be available from the App Store still for free on both Mac, iPad, and iPhone. All right, we'll see you tomorrow for the live stream.